If all people ask him if we pay extra for the bear.
It's on its back just playing in the water. This is the cutest thing in the world, and it's mean as all get out probably. Oh my gosh, it's on its back. That is hilarious, Jill. You've got to see this. Look, he's just chilling out.
That was good.
He's like, man, this is great. This is the life. And he tore all that. He knocked the grill over. I'm gonna have to tell this guy that we didn't do this.
Oh, I got video last night.
Oh, so you saw him come in?
Yeah.
Is that hilarious or what?
Hilarious.
It's just, look, he's just relaxing, chilling out.
Could I ask him if it's warm?